So selling a home with pets, what should you do? Now I'm talking specifically cats and dogs, but you might have other pets in the house. Let's talk about when you sell your property, what the best thing to do is. Let's jump in. Okay, so I'm coming at this from an estate agent with 22 years experience, and I have 3 dogs myself. If I was selling my house, I would make sure that for every single viewing, the house was professionally cleaned and the dogs were taken out of the house when viewings are taking place. Let's jump into why that is. Now, if you're a dog owner, you probably love your dogs just as much as I love mine. When it comes to selling your house, not everyone loves dogs. I know, crazy, right? I find that mad because I love them. But when selling a house, you should never look at things through your own tinted glasses. Many people, culturally, pets and dogs and cats can cause a problem, but secondary to that, lots of people are actually quite nervous of dogs particularly, and on the viewing they then become quite on edge, and if the dogs are noisy, if they're barking, it's just a terrible distraction that you don't want. You want your viewer focused on your house, not your dogs. So best to get them out of the way, take them for a dog walk. The best strategy for this, and what I will use when it comes to selling my house, is I would have block viewings twice a week. So I would have a weekday evening block of say a couple of hours when I pre-arrange with my estate agent, which would be one of my team members. But I would say, look, Wednesday evenings between 6 and 8, I'm out with all the kids, all the dogs, do as many viewings as you want, and another block on a Saturday or a Sunday, because as much as we all love pets, and even people that do love pets, you don't want them fussing your pets. You want them looking at the house and deciding whether or not they want to buy it. So there's multiple reasons why. Main one is to just take the distraction away. Second one is they can smell. I've got a British bulldog who has a tooth infection. Her breath stinks at the minute. We're taking her to the vets to get it sorted out. But it's best the house is just thoroughly cleaned. And some people have actually refused to view properties if there's currently pets living in the property. Generally that's more of a cultural thing, or they may insist on their negotiation that all the carpets are replaced before completion. But the general piece of advice here, if you're selling a property with pets, cats or dogs specifically, take them out of the house with you when you leave to let your agent show the house. Now obviously, you know, certain caged animals, kind of reptiles, they're all fine. They can actually be a really nice distraction for people when their children are viewing. But cats and dogs, take them out of the house, remove the distraction, appeal to everybody, sell successfully.